Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Allamma Iqbal. Number 1. Allamma Iqbal is the national poet of Pakistan. 2. He was born on the 9th of November 1877 in Sialkot. 3. His father's name was Sheikh Nur Muhammad. 4th, people call him the poet of the East. 5th, he received his early education in Sialkot. 6th, he passed his MA from Government College, Lahore. 7th, he studied law at Cambridge University. 8th, he received his higher education from Germany. 9th, he gave us the idea of Pakistan. 10th, he passed away on 21 April 1938, but his legacy lives on. Thank you watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.